We are going to learn about the UnzeenU mobile app today. This is only for the mobile app and not for the website. If you have an Android device, like a Samsung phone, you have to go to the Google Play Store. Then I will search for UnzeenU app. Once you have found it, then click to install. While it is installing, you can see the progress by clicking here. It is 10.19 megabytes. Once it's finished downloading, it will automatically start installing to your device. So we can click to open it. Now we are on the login page, where you have two options. If you are new to UnzeenU, you can click to create an account. And then you can click on the camera and it will ask you for permission. Please allow everything. Then you can choose to either take a photo with the camera of your mobile device. After this, type your first name, last name, and if you want to appear with a nickname, you can type a nickname followed by your email address. This is very important because UnzeenU will send you a verification email to confirm your email address. Then you can type a password and enter your date of birth. Then you will select your gender, male, female, or other. Other is mainly for businesses and non-living entities. But if you have an account with UnzeenU already, you can use that. So we already got some messages from so many members. So if you want to read the message, you click read, and then you can see what they have written in the message. Or if you don't want that person to contact you in the future, you can click ignore member so that you will not get messages from the person again. Or if this is very illegal message, you can click to report violation on the bottom. So if you click to reply, you can see it takes you to the reply page. Once you finish the message, you can click the arrow icon on the top right-hand corner to send the message. When you have received messages, you can click on the funnel icon. This allows you to filter the messages. The next important part is the Instant Connects, which is the second icon on the bottom. I will click on that. Once you are there, it is best to set the distance range. So I can set a distance range from 10 meters up to 400 kilometers. So if I like anyone that appears, I will highlight that person's profile. There is the option to select more than one person. Then you click next to write your message. Then you can send a message by clicking on the arrow on the top right corner. The third option is the middle icon, which is to write a message. That's the third icon on the bottom. And in here, you have the option to send a message to someone using a magic word or some event name you have given someone. For example, if you meet someone in London, you can say London and you can write a message. Another option is if you know exact personal details about the person, you can fill in those details. The fourth icon is very interesting. It's called UnzeenU Vehicle Connect, which is the icon of a car. When you click on that, you have the option to automatically scan any number license of a vehicle. It will automatically capture the license number. Again, you can add other details as well.